Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in which you insert a text box and a kind of a video behind it, or you can also insert a GIF. So let's start. Plus you can free download this template from link in the description below, and it's completely free to use, so you can just use it for free. So first of all, you're gonna cover the entire slide with a rectangle, then maybe with outline. What we're gonna do is insert a large text box, and we're gonna write a title in it. Whatever the word would be, we're just gonna give it middle alignment and increase its size. Now select the rectangle and then the text box, and then you're gonna click on subtract. Now go to fill option, and we're gonna give the rectangle a fill of navy blue. Now go to Chrome and search for colorful GIFs, and what we find here are a variety of those small videos. We can use them in the background of our text to make a very nice welcome video. So this one looks really nice. So let me just open it in a new tab and then download it from here. So as you can see, I have clicked it and I have taken it to be downloaded, and it might take some time to download because it is of high MB storage. So let's just close the format background, return to the PowerPoint, go to images, and from here you're gonna insert the same like the sticker from your the file, and here you go. As you can see, this one really doesn't look well, so I'm just gonna return to our page on the Chrome, and we're gonna search for more of these like GIFs, and let me find a one which is suitable for our like template. So it may be hard for you to find, but let me tell you some great websites. So the top website that you can use is Jiffy, and it's a really nice website from where you can get a variety of GIFs, and they're free to use. And there is a whole load variety from which you can choose from, and a lot more colors and patterns. So as you can see, all of these are either too bright and do not cover the entire text, or either too lame. So we're gonna just keep on exploring some nice ones until we find the best. So this is the one I'm gonna use. It looks just so perfect. I'm gonna open it in a new tab and search for it right here by scrolling down. So let me just again scroll down till I find it. It may take you may have to go too much down to find it. So here you go, I have found it. I'm gonna open it in a new tab or in the existing tab, and what I'm gonna do is just wait for some minutes, and from here I'm gonna download it, and here you go. So it is a rainbow wing. We're gonna go back to PowerPoint and go to pictures, and we're gonna insert that GIF, and we're gonna send it to the back. Remove the previous GIF, and we're gonna increase this one size and then send it to the back. So let's just reposition and give the rectangle a darker shade so that we can clearly see the rainbow. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video and learned something new, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below.